This video clip describes how to use percents. We'll use a few examples. First, let's figure out how to write percents as a decimal. 35% would be written as 0.35. Well, percent means per hundred, so 35 out of 100, that's how we get that 0.35. 35 divided by 100 is the 0.35. So 75% would be 0.75. So if you found a store with a 30% off sale, clothes that would have cost you $50 will only cost what before taxes? Well, if we multiply the 0.3, we can multiply 0 also, but that doesn't change it, times $50. 3 times 0, 3 times 5, 15, 2 decimal places in the problem, so move over 2 decimal places, $15 off. So that means instead of paying $50, we get $15 off, borrow, make that 40 plus 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, 40 minus 1 is 30. So $35 is what we'll pay if we get a 30% off sale on a $50 purchase. Well, what about a 7% sales tax on $60 at a store? So we do the 0.07 times 60, 7 times 0, 7 times 6, 2 decimal places in the whole deal, 1, 2, so that would be $4.20, $4.20 would be the tax. So if we add that to our $60, the whole cost would be $64.20. So if the cost of living is going up at 6% each year, and last year it cost about $20,000 for a young married couple to survive, how much will the cost be this year? Well, 6%, whoops, if I do 0.6, that will be 60%. And times 20,000. One, two, three, 4, 6 times 2 is 12. 2 decimal places. So if the decimal is there, then I have 1,200 more. It's going to cost me 1,200 more. So I add 1,200 to 20,000. So that'd be $21,200 next year, or this year. Last year was $20,000. This year, my costs for everything will go up, and it will cost about $21,200. Almost everything. Let's say we have 208 freshmen attend a high school. 50% of these freshmen are females. How many female freshmen attend this high school? But one thing about 50% is that 50% would be 50 out of 100. 5 out of 10 is 5 times 1 out of 5 times 2. So we could reduce that to 1/2. 1/2 times 208. Well, that's the same as 208 divided by 2, which is 104. Half of 208 is 104.